going on? It's freezing here, but we're gonna go ahead and pop this seat off on my KX. Ordered a no-toil air filter for it. I've had it for a few months. Also bought a wash kit for the airbox, so gonna go ahead and wash that, clean that out, whatever, and then I think Hunter wants to go through my toolbox a little bit here and film part of that. But I guess let's just hop into it. What was your 10 would work?
Whatever.
Magnetic trays up there.
What was that?
My magnetic tray.
Oh.
Whatever.
You have pockets.
Oh, so we went to go fire up and ride this CR the other day, and we could get it to start, but it wouldn't stay running. Then we looked.
No, it would stay running, but it idled to the moon.
Yeah, idled super high, and then we lowered the idle. I think that's why it kept dying. The idle was too low.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're looking around this bike, and on the left side, the front left corner of the cylinder at the bottom was leaking out premix oil. So I went ahead and ordered a new top end seal kit for that, so we'll probably change out all the seals in it, make sure it's fresh, whatever. It's got a fresh rebuild, but for some reason that seal blew. So after that, CR should be good to ride. She starts, she's idling super high.
We were gonna ride yesterday also, but instead of being 49, it ended up being like 22 degrees.
Yeah, and freezing rain, and that is filthy.
It was super windy. Oh, dude.
Look at that.
That's no good.
What was that, 8? That
Yeah.
was probably an 8.
For whatever reason, they put that bolt in there instead of the wing nut like it's supposed to be.
Whatever. Alright, so the no toil kit I got came with an airbox cleaner. It says let's probably take this out first.
Get that nasty thing out of there.
Spray it on there, wait 30 seconds, vapor off. Oh god. Remember how filthy this was when I got this bike?
That thing was black.
Oh, we cleaned this thing and it looked good.
Do the pinch test on it. See if it's still good. That's not bad.
Alright. Let's see, I should probably throw that air boot on.
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright. This screw, the airbox cover, it's not long enough. So I'm just holding it in there. Whatever. God, my hands are frozen, dude.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty cold.
Why'd you say we should do this today?
Because I want to do it tomorrow. And now we wait 30 seconds and then wipe it out.
Yeah. Alright, so took the side panel off just so I can get in here easier. But it's been 30 seconds. This thing is filthy in here, dude. I don't think we ever cleaned the airbox when I bought this.
No, I don't think so.
What's all this gunk?
Yeah, it looks quite a bit better.
Oh, look at all that gunk.
Oh man.
That's gross. Alright, so I just broke this no toil filter out of the package. Yeah, that's who we need to hit us up. No toil.
No kidding.
Because it's a Dio that's hooked up with them, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Ow. God. I have to order a couple more of these and just keep them on hand.
Yeah. I mean, you have that other filter, the Twin Air one too. That Twin Air one's not bad. It's still good. You alright there?
My hands are getting like super sticky now.
Oh, you should put on gloves.
I didn't think of it. Not the brightest here. Alright. Green filter, green bike. I like
Hell
that.
yeah.
I like that. Big old air filter, my guy.
Once a ratchet, you drop like 4 times. I always hate putting air filters back in. It seems like they never want to line up.
Yeah. I can't even tell if I'm in this. Alright, so we fought with getting this air filter in. Finally got it in there and whatnot. It was just being stupid and wouldn't seat properly. But yeah, so we're gonna we'll throw this back together real quick. I really don't even think I'm gonna throw the seat bolts in right now. Anyways, and then we're gonna go over there and run through my toolbox a little bit. Just got this toolbox a couple months back, but slowly been adding tools to it. So
It's the same one as mine.
yeah, same one as Hunter's, but a lot more sockets and a lot more wrenches. But alright, so I don't have a ton in here, but yeah, first drawer's empty. Got all my wrenches and whatnot, shorties, regular size, super tiny ones, whatever. Got screwdrivers, simple screwdrivers. They're all this stuff is Craftsman. Those are the diamond tipped screwdrivers. These were Craftsman wrenches. I got miscellaneous stuff down here in the bottom, shop towels, Ryobi air hammer, case of brake cleaner, a couple other things. That's where I keep my parts and whatnot. Got an extra tube, traction tape, spare grips in my room. But then got a few air tools, not many, but Matco little air grinder, whatever. I think this is Harbor Freight. Little handsaw, 2 air ratchets, and Mac air hammer. I think it's badass. Allen's. Nothing too special there. This is my prized possession. I spent hours in here organizing. All Craftsman sockets, Craftsman ratchets, Craftsman extensions, swivels, everything's Craftsman right now. 399 sockets. I had to go through here. You can see these numbers are like chopped off. I had to take that air grinder from earlier and come through and shave all these down because it wouldn't fit in this drawer. But like, they would fit in here, but I can't fit all this stuff in here. So I had to take the air grinder, grind down the 1/2-inch drive ones. But yeah, I think that pretty much does it. Don't have a bunch. Just starting on building this box up. I think the next thing I'm gonna buy is probably some T-handle, Allen's, maybe a T-handle, 3/8 drive to pop some sockets on, and then Hunter sent me the other day some gear wrench, ratcheting sockets. Definitely want to pick up some of those.
Wrenches, not sockets.
What?
Ratcheting wrenches.
Yeah, it's cold. I'm tired. Ratcheting wrenches. I want to pick those up, and then also want to get a breaker bar. And I don't know. I guess I'll just pick up tools along the way. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure you guys will see inside this again, but we're just gonna throw everything back on that bike real quick and set it right where Hunter's standing and call it a day.
Slurpy drag.